guys, today I want to share with you Makita DCU180 battery powered wheelbarrow. The max load capacity for this wheelbarrow is 130 kg. The traveling speed for forward, it will be 0 to 3.5 km per hour. For low mode, it will be 0 to 1.5 km per hour. While for the reverse is 0 to 1 km per hour. The max climbing capacity will be 12 degrees. The net weight approximately 45 kg. The wheelbarrow can fit 2 batteries and can operate with only 1 battery. This is the button for speed and for reverse setting.
往前的，它的 handle 在这边呢。这样子了，所以我就reverse 先啦，reverse 它本身有声音。
到灯啊，这个
有 reverse 它是有声音的。
哦，
啊 ，for safety features 啊。这个是2号。比较快啊，这样就比较快了。啊，就是它brake 就在前面 handbrake。哦，对。啊，handbrake。所以你要看它的那个轮子有多快的话，我就这样子。
然后灯呢？灯可以开了吗？
可以。本身1号是。
Finally, it holds all kinds of heavy loads with optional heavy-duty carrier and bucket. Thanks for watching and please subscribe if you find this video helpful.